Namaskar. Welcome to Jai English language learning channel. आज यो भिडियोमा हामीले दैनिक प्रयोगमा आउने विभिन्न प्रकारका वाक्यहरूमा डु को प्रयोग अभ्यास गर्नेछौँ। यस्ता प्रकारका वाक्यहरू अभ्यास गर्नाले अङ्ग्रेजी भाषा छिटो, छरितो र प्रभावकारी तरिकाबाट सिक्नको लागि सहयोग गर्नेछ। अतः आउनुहोस् भिडियो सुरु गरौँ। डु को प्रयोग विभिन्न प्रकारका वाक्यहरूमा दैनिक कुराकानीका लागि 50 वटा उपयोगी वाक्यहरू रहेका छन् यो भिडियोमा, जसले छिटो र सजिलो तरिकाबाट अङ्ग्रेजी भाषा सिक्नको लागि सहयोग गर्नेछ। आउनुहोस् अगाडि बढौँ। I'll do it now. I'll do it now. यो म अहिले गर्छु। यो म अहिले गर्छु। I'll do it now. यसलाई I will do it now पनि भन्न सक्छौँ। I र will को सर्ट फर्म I'll हुन्छ। I'll do it now. यो म अहिले गर्छु। I'll do my best. I'll do my best. मेरो तर्फबाट सकेको गर्छु। I'll do my best. मेरो तर्फबाट सकेको गर्छु। I made him do so. I made him do so. मैले उसलाई त्यसो गर्न लगाएँ। I made him do so. मैले उसलाई त्यसो गर्न लगाएँ। I know what to do. I know what to do. के गर्ने मलाई थाहा छ। I know what to do. के गर्ने मलाई थाहा छ। Do as I tell you. Do as I tell you. मैले भनेको जस्तो गर। Do as I tell you. मैले भनेको जस्तो गर। Do as he tells you. Do as he tells you. उसले भनेको जस्तो गर। Do as he tells you. उसले भनेको जस्तो गर। She made him do it. She made him do it. उनले उसलाई त्यसो गर्न लगाइन्। She made him do it. उनले उसलाई त्यसो गर्न लगाइन्। Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. भन म के गरौँ। Tell me what to do. भन म के गरौँ। We have a lot to do. We have a lot to do. हामीले गर्न धेरै छ। We have a lot to do. हामीले गर्न धेरै छ। We will do our best. We will do our best. हामी सक्दो गर्नेछौँ। We will do our best. हामी सक्दो गर्नेछौँ। Please do that again. Please do that again. कृपया त्यो फेरि गर्नुहोस्। Please do that again. कृपया त्यो फेरि गर्नुहोस्। He is unable to do it. He is unable to do it. ऊ यो गर्न असक्षम छ। He is unable to do it. ऊ यो गर्न असक्षम छ। Let's not do that again. Let's not do that again. त्यो फेरि नगरौं. Let's not do that again. त्यो फेरि नगरौं. You must do your best. You must do your best. तपाईले आफ्नो सक्दो गर्न पर्छ. तपाईले आफ्नो सक्दो गर्नुपर्छ. You must do your best. तपाईले आफ्नो सक्दो गर्नुपर्छ. I do not need money now. I do not need money now. अहिले मलाई पैसाको आवश्यक छैन. I do not need money now. अहिले मलाई पैसाको आवश्यक छैन. She forced him to do it. She forced him to do it. उनले उसलाई यो गर्न लगायो. She forced him to do it. उनले उसलाई यो गर्न लगायो. I have a lot to do today. I have a lot to do today. आज मलाई धेरै गर्नु पर्छ. I have a lot to do today. आज मलाई धेरै गर्नु पर्छ. I have many things to do. I have many things to do. मलाई धेरै थोक गर्नु पर्छ. I have many things to do. मलाई धेरै थोक गर्नु पर्छ. I will never do it again. म फेरि यो कहिल्यै गर्ने छैन. I will never do it again. म फेरि यो कहिल्यै गर्ने छैन. I will do everything I can. I'll do everything I can. I'll do everything I can. मैले सके जति सबै गर्नेछु. I'll do everything I can. मैले सके जति सबै गर्नेछु. She ordered me to do it. She ordered me to do it. उनले मलाई यो गर्न आदेश दिए. उनले मलाई यो गर्न आदेश दिइन्. She ordered me to do it. उनले मलाई यो गर्न आदेश दिइन्. She ordered me to do it. उनले मलाई यो गर्न आदेश दिइन्. This dress do not suit you. This dress do not suit you. यो लुगा तिमीलाई सुहाएन. This dress do not suit you. यो लुगा तिमीलाई सुहाएन. Let's do this first of all. सबैभन्दा पहिला यो गरौँ. Let's do this first of all. सबैभन्दा पहिला यो गरौँ. She didn't know what to do. She didn't know what to do. के गरौँ भनेर उनलाई थाहा थिएन. के गरौँ भनेर उनलाई थाहा थिएन. She didn't know what to do. के गरौँ भनेर उनलाई थाहा थिएन. She persuaded him to do this. She persuaded him to do this. उनले उसलाई यो गर्न फकाइन्. She persuaded him to do this. उनले उसलाई यो गर्न फकाइन्. Do your best. सक्दो गर. Do your best. सक्दो गर. He can do this work alone. उसले यो काम एक्लै गर्न सक्छ. He can do this work alone. उसले यो काम एक्लै गर्न सक्छ. Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? के तिमीसँग कलम छ? Do you have a pen? के तिमीसँग कलम छ? Do you eat? खान्छौ? Do you eat? खान्छौ? Do you drink? पिउँछौ? Do you drink? पिउँछौ? Do you go? जान्छौ? Do you go? जान्छौ? Do you come? आउँछौ? Do you come? आउँछौ? Do you follow? मेरो कुरा मान्छौ? Do you follow? मेरो कुरा मान्छौ? Do you hear me? के मलाई सुन्छौ? Do you hear me? के मलाई सुन्छौ? Do you know me? के तिमी मलाई चिन्छौ? Do you know me? के तिमी मलाई चिन्छौ? Do you know her? के तिमी उनलाई चिन्छौ? Do you know her? के तिमी उनलाई चिन्छौ? Do you like this? के तिमीलाई यो मन पर्छ? Do you like this? के तिमीलाई यो मन पर्छ? Do you speak English? के तिमी अंग्रेजी बोल्छौ? Do you speak English? के तिमी अंग्रेजी बोल्छौ? Do you think I am fat? Do you think I am fat? के तिम्रो विचारमा म मोटो छु? Do you think I am fat? के तिम्रो विचारमा म मोटो छु? What do you do? What do you do? तिमी के गर्छौ? What do you do? तिमी के गर्छौ? What do you ask? तिमी के सोध्छौ? What do you ask? तिमी के सोध्छौ? Why do you ask? तिमी किन सोध्छौ? Why do you ask? तिमी किन सोध्छौ? Why do you lie? तिमी झुटो किन बोल्छौ? Why do you lie? तिमी झुटो किन बोल्छौ? What does he do? ऊ के गर्छ? What does he do? ऊ के गर्छ? When do they go? उनीहरू कहिले जान्छन्? When do they go? उनीहरू कहिले जान्छन्? How do I open it? यो कसरी खोलूं? How do I open it? यो कसरी खोलूं? Which shirt do you like? तिमीलाई कुन शर्ट मन पर्छ? Which shirt do you like? तिमीलाई कुन शर्ट मन पर्छ? What do you do there? त्यहाँ तिमी के गर्छौ? What do you do there? त्यहाँ तिमी के गर्छौ? What do you do there? त्यहाँ तिमी के गर्छौ? How many kids do you have? How many kids do you have? तिम्रो कतिजना बच्चाहरू छन्? How many kids do you have? तिम्रो कतिजना बच्चाहरू छन्? What do you want to be? What do you want to be? तिमी के बन्न चाहन्छौ? What do you want to be? तिमी के बन्न चाहन्छौ?